Good morning, class 3 students. Welcome to the next session of SST, and in this session we are starting our new chapter, new lesson. We need clean air. So what is air? We cannot see air, but it is everywhere. We can feel air when it moves and blows against our face as a breeze. A layer of air that surrounds our earth is called the atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. It also contains water vapor and dust particles. Now, what are the uses of air? Air is needed for breathing. All the living beings, plants, and animals need air to breathe. Air is needed for burning. Air is necessary for plants to breathe and prepare food. Atmosphere protects us from harmful sun's ultraviolet rays. Atmosphere maintains the Earth's temperature. Air is needed for burning. Students, as I told you, air is needed for burning. To understand it, we will do one experiment. The gas oxygen present in the air helps us in burning things. First, take a candle, fix it in a jar and light it. If you cover the candle with a glass, after some time the candle stops burning because all the oxygen present in the air in the jar has been used up. In the absence of oxygen, the candle stops burning. This shows that if there is no air, things don't burn. Without air, there will be no fire and we will not be able to cook or burn fuels for various activities. So, with this experiment, we can understand that oxygen present in the air helps us in burning and air is required for burning. So you can do this experiment in the presence of any adult at your home. Now, air pollution. What is air pollution? When air gets dirty due to some harmful smoke in the air, this is called air pollution. What makes air dirty? There are different reasons that makes air dirty. Smoke from the burning of leaves, rubber, garbage, or other things. Harmful gases from buses, cars, scooters, and other vehicles running on the road. Smoke from factory chimneys. Speeding cars that raise dust on roads. Harmful gases released by refrigerators and air conditioners. How can we keep our air clean? It is very important for us that if we want to make our environment in balance, we need to keep our atmosphere clean. Walk or ride a bicycle when we can. Use public transport such as buses, cars, metros, etc. Do not burn dead leaves and garbage. Use cars. Less use of air conditioners and refrigerators. So students, these are some guidelines. If we will follow them, we will be able to stop air pollution. So I am closing this one with all this. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Good morning.